I see a mukade. Ah! Toshi. Look at that strange sun.
What's strange? It's covered. The sun is covered by cloud.
Oh, you're a really smart man. It broke. It stopped. What happened, Toshiaki?
Oh?
Did you stop it with your magic power? This is the first time I can't get it going. There it goes.
Perhaps another has injured you or caused you grief. It doesn't matter what has been done. When you know this law, you can forgive anyone by rearranging the structure of your mind and set them free by imagining it never happened. From Neville Goddard's 1968 lecture, Creation, Faith. So how does one go about forgiving another? And you'll come to see that Neville will teach you there is no other. You can take this person before you, or take certain people before you, and you can change their original motivation and put into their mouth the words you want to hear, and hear with your imaginary ears what it is you want them to say, and see them with your imaginary eyes doing what you would like them to do instead. But always remember to do the loving thing, because there can be a boomerang effect since we are all connected. Neville goes on to say, you see, there are two things that displease God. One is the lack of faith in I am He, and the other is eating of the tree of knowledge of good and evil, by using yourself as the criteria as to what is good and what is evil. Unless you believe you are the seeming other who caused your grief, you will continue to reproduce the same unhappiness and miss your mark in life by dying in your sins. Neville is saying a few important things here. If we remember the core of Neville's teachings, that everything we see on the outside is a reflection of something in our own consciousness, our deep, perpetuated feelings, beliefs, reactions, imaginings, what we allow ourselves to become intent about, what we empathize with. So all that we encounter, experience on the outside, Neville is teaching it has some kind of symbolism, meaning, of what's going on or what has been going on in the inside. Neville also warns you not to eat from the tree of good and evil. Don't miss your mark in finding your heaven on earth by judging what you think is right or wrong, because it's all symbolism. It's all a reflection of consciousness, imagination. If you do that, you'll get lost in the dream. You'll perpetuate it. If you want to change your life, even revolutionize it, then you have to not only hear these teachings, but you have to apply them to life.
Okinawan biscuit ice cream. You ordered natto. Very healthy, but not my cup of tea. That's right. Look at my cranberry cake. It looks much better than your natto. How is your natto?
Good. Good for health.
Yeah, I know. They say it's good for your health. Well, at least you believe that. Well, I think dessert is good for your health, too.
I'd like to give a quick shout out to Tokyo Treats and their sister company Sakura Co. I recently got to try out their monthly subscription snack treat boxes, and I thought they were awesome. Tokyo Treats features a lot more pop culture snacks, and the sister company, Sakura Co., features more traditional Japanese snacks and usually has some type of a unique little kitchen item included. So if you're interested in trying out an array of unique Japanese snacks, please check out my affiliate link in the description section beneath this video or the pinned comment to get $5 off your first box. Thank you. Is there someone that you have been holding anger to? What is it possible that this person could symbolically represent that is going on in your own consciousness? The solidified, crystallized into this experience in the dream of life. When you look at it that way, can you forgive the other? Can you forgive yourself? And forgiveness can be simply revising what had happened. What do you wish had happened instead? What is the conversation or the action you wish had occurred instead? You can now go into your imagination, have a little intentional daydream, and with your imaginary senses, see, hear, feel what you would have wanted instead. Because you want to counterbalance those feelings so that they can be freed up and you can use that energy for what you really do want in your life. Now, let us go into the silence. Good.